Hello and welcome to my new kitchen. I just want to say thanks a lot for giving me this beautiful and lovely kitchen. This could not be possible without your support. What you did for me is amazing and I'm so happy. God bless you and I love you all. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey guys, MarshalONE here, and finally the kitchen is over thanks to your support, guys. I hope you did like intro that you've seen at the start of this video, and me and my mom tried so much to make something funny, and it was her first time speaking in English because she doesn't know English very well. I mean, I should say she doesn't know English at all. Anyway guys, I don't know how to express my feelings and how to show you that we guys are really happy for what you did for me and for her. I would like to make some kind of a vlog where she will be talking and I will write the titles under the video, but I think it's not gonna be interesting for every one of you. So after a while, after so many months of waiting, the kitchen is finally over, and once again we did prove, guys, that we are so freaking strong. Even on this t-shirt it say wrong. People been complaining, people been hating, but okay, haters gonna be haters. They've been saying, what you gonna do with only 10 viewers on your channel? You're never gonna make it, you better give up, you do this, you do that, delete your channel, you're useless, you're nothing. But today we have this video to prove that what these guys said is just one big lie and they are haters. I've encountered so many problems and people saying that I stole the money and I'm not collecting it from my mom. I'm not making a project and a new kitchen for my mom. I just want to build my PC. But okay, later we're gonna continue to upgrade this PC. I'm gonna try to buy myself a new camera so I can do some kind of vlogs and cooking videos from the kitchen. But please tell me down in video what you think about it. Do you like the idea and do you wanna see cooking with MarshalONE? I don't think it's gonna be a good idea, but we're gonna try. Anyway guys, in video you can see how kitchen used to look like and how it's looking at the moment. I'm gonna do my best to put somewhere during this video pictures how we have been building the kitchen day by day. We found so many friends to help us and we needed so much time to finish everything. I'm sorry for you and you really needed to wait for like 2 months to see this project being finished finally, but here we go. We needed to wait for so many workers to do the job, from electric installation, water installation, mounting the kitchen, and so on, so on. But sharing this video with you guys means a lot, and I don't know what to say because somehow I'm confused, I'm lost. If you like what you seen at the start of this video, please smash one like button for my mom and one like button for me, okay? Please, thank you, I'm gonna be so freaking happy. Anyway, I don't wanna make this video forever. I don't want to bother you anymore, but once again I'm gonna repeat, thanks a lot guys for being a part of this channel. Thank you for being a member of this channel. You are my family. Thanks to you this dream become reality, and this couldn't be possible without you guys. Even if you just watch my video, if you just smash one like button, trust me, you are still a supporter of this channel, and I love you guys. Before we end this video, you can see at the end something that is gonna make you happy, and I hope you're gonna enjoy, but we're gonna leave it at the end. You're gonna see what is it. Before we end the video, I just want to say once again thanks a lot for helping me to do this. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, teach me how to do vlogs and how to do cooking videos. As I said, we're gonna buy the new camera so I can record this in better quality. Excuse me for what you see at the moment, because I'm just using my phone to record the video. So once again, thanks a lot for watching and enjoying the rest of the video, guys. Bye! Das ist Zwick.
Hello, hello, my welcome to my new kitchen, to my new kitchen.
I found our kitchen.
Hello, my I want just to say
For gifting me. For gifting me.
For gifting. And I love you
all.
And I love you.
I love you all.
I love you all.